Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, super healthy cinnamon roll smoothie, roasted chickpeas and roasted almonds, create with perfect baked flavor so it tastes like liquid cinnamon rolls. So good! So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a cup of cooked chickpeas onto a baking sheet, along with half a cup of almonds. Next, roast them at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then, pour them into a powerful blender, along with 6 dates, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2.5 cups of a plant-based milk. Now blend it until super smooth. And enjoy a super tasty and super healthy cinnamon roll smoothie. Thanks for watching.